Good morning, students. Welcome back to Max Online class. How are you, students? I hope you all are fine and safe by God's grace. In the previous class, what did you learn, students? Cartesian product, is it? Okay. Today also, I am going to continue the same portion. Okay. What is Cartesian product? Can you say the definition for Cartesian product? Cartesian product is a set of all ordered pairs. Is it? If A and B are two non-empty sets, then the set of all ordered pairs A comma B such that A belongs to A and B belongs to B is called a Cartesian product of A and B. The Cartesian product, what is another name of Cartesian product? Cross product. This everything already you have learned, is it? In the previous class, you have learned example problem. Today I am going to explain the exercise problem. Have you all completed yesterday's homework? Okay. Now I am going to explain exercise 1.1 second problem, first problem and third problem. Already you have completed as a homework. Now I am going to explain the second problem. Second question, exercise 1.1 second question. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to x such that x is a prime number less than 10. Find A cross B and B cross A. A is equal to 1, 2, 3. B is equal to given values I am writing. X such that x is a prime number less than 10. Less than 10. Okay. First, what is prime number? Already you have learned prime number and composite number. Is it? What is prime number? A number having only two factors is called a prime number. Is it? Can you say the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, etc. Okay. What composite number? Can you say some composite number? Yeah, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, everything composite number. Now, the question is x such that x is a prime number less than 10? We have to write the prime number less than 10. Can you say what are they? 2, 3, 5, 7. These numbers having only two factors. What are they? 1 and 2. Here this number having two factors 1 and 3. 5 having only two factors 1 and 5. 7 having two factors 1 and 7. But the 4 having three factors. Okay, number having more than 3 factors are called composite number. So 4 having 3 factors, 6 having 4 factors. So that numbers are not a prime number. Here 2, 3, 5, 7 is a prime number. One is neither prime nor composite. Have you understand this? What are the prime numbers less than 10? 2, 3, 5, 7. Don't forget. What are the prime numbers less than 10? 2, 3, 5, 7. Now we have to find out A cross B and B cross A. A cross B is equal to 1, 2, 3. A cross B is 2, 3, 5, 7. Now we have to find out A cross B. So 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7. We have to write the all ordered pairs. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7. Next, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7. Next, 3, 2, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 5, 3 comma 7. Clear, students? Then what we have to find out? B cross A. B cross A means, what is B? 2, 3, 5, 7. Cross, what is A? 1, 2, 3. So how can we find out B cross A? 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3. Next, 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3. Next, 5 comma 1, 5 comma 2, 5 comma 3. Next, 7 comma 1, 7 comma 2, 7 comma 3. 7 comma 2, 7 comma 3. Okay, so this only we have to find out. Okay, clear? Any doubt? A cross B and B cross A we have find out. Okay. Then the fourth question, I am going to teach the fourth question. Exercise 1.1, fourth question. If A is equal to 5 comma 6, first I am writing the given values. A is equal to 5 comma 6. B is equal to 4, 5, 6. C is equal to 5, 6, 7. What we have to find out? We have to show that A cross A is equal to B cross B intersection C cross C. Okay, to show A cross A is equal to B cross B intersection C cross C. First, left hand side, we can find out the left hand side. Left hand side, what is? A cross A, is it? A cross A. A cross A is equal to 5 comma 6 cross 5 comma 6. A is 5 comma 6. So A cross A is equal to 5 comma 6 cross 5 comma 6. Now we have to write the ordered pairs. So 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6. Okay, it is equation 1. Left hand side we have to find out A cross A. So that I am taking equation 1. In the right hand side, what we have to find out? B cross B intersection C cross C. First we can find out B cross B. What is B cross B? Here B cross B means 4, 5, 6 cross 4, 5, 6. It's equal to, can you say the ordered pairs? 4 comma 4. Next 4 comma 5. 4 comma 6. Next 5 comma 4. 5 comma 5. 5 comma 6. Next 6 comma 4. 6 comma 5. 6 comma 6. Okay, B cross B we have find out. Next we have to find out the C cross C. C cross C is equal to, what is C? 5, 6, 7. C is equal to 5, 6, 7. So C cross C means 5, 6, 7 cross 5, 6, 7. How we have to find out this? 5 comma 5. 5 comma 6. 5 comma 7. Next 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6, 6 comma 7. Next 7 comma 5, 7 comma 6, 7 comma 7. Clear? This is C cross C. Next what we have to find out? B cross B intersection C cross C. Is it? Right hand side is B cross. This is the right hand side. RHS. Here it is starting. Okay. So B cross B intersection C cross C. In the 9th standard previous class itself, you have learned union and intersection. Have you remembered that? Okay. What is intersection? Common elements of B cross B and C cross C. We have to write the common intersection means common elements of B cross B and C cross C. Can we find out the common elements? We can circle the common elements. 4 comma 4. It is in B cross B. Whether it is in C cross C? No. Next 4 comma 5. It is in B cross B but it is not in C cross C. 4 comma 6. Not having. Next 5 comma 4. Here having but here not having. Next 5 comma 5. Here also having. Here also having. Next 5 comma 6. Both B cross B and C cross C having. So we can circle that. Next 6 comma 4. It is in B cross B. It is not in C cross C. 6 comma 5. It is in B cross B. It is in C cross C also. Next 6 comma 6. It is in B cross B. Also in C cross C. These elements we have to write it here. What are they? 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6. This is equation 2. Okay. Now the question is show that A cross A is equal to B cross B intersection C cross C. Now you check that equation 1 and 2. A cross A 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6. Both also equal. From 1 and 2, A cross A is equal to B cross B intersection C cross C. A cross A is equal to B cross B intersection C cross C. Have you all understand? Any doubt? Okay. Now I am going to explain the next problem. Now I am going to explain the fifth problem. What is the fifth problem? What is given? A is equal to 1, 2, 3. B is equal to 2, 3, 5. C is equal to 3, 4. And D is equal to 1, 3, 5. Check if A intersection C cross B intersection D is equal to A cross B intersection C cross D. First given A is equal to 1, 2, 3. B is equal to 2, 3, 5. C is equal to 3, 4. D is equal to 1, 3, 5. 2. Whether we have to check. To check what we have to check? A intersection C cross B intersection D is equal to A cross B intersection C cross D. Whether it is true or not, we have to check it. First, left hand side we can take it, LHS. What's the left hand side? A intersection C cross B intersection D. First you have to find out A intersection C. What is A? A is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Intersection C is 3, 4. Already in the previous question itself, I have explained what is intersection. What is intersection? Intersection is the common elements of A and C, is it? So, what are the common elements here? 3 is the common elements. So, we can write A intersection C is equal to 3. Next, we have to find out B intersection D. What is B? 2, 3, 5. What is D? 1, 3, 5. We have to find out the intersection. How can we find out the intersection? Yeah, common elements. Is it 3, 5? This both also common. So B intersection D is equal to 3, 5. Now we have to find out A intersection C cross B intersection D. Now we have to find out A intersection C cross B intersection D. What is A intersection C? 3. Cross what is B intersection D? Already we have find out 3, 5. How can we find out A intersection C cross B intersection D? 3, 3. Next 3, 5. Clear? It is left hand side, equation 1. Next, in the right hand side, what we have to find out? A cross B intersection C cross D. Is it? So, right hand side, RHS. We have to find out first A cross B. What we have to find out? A cross B. A cross B is equal to, first we have to write A. 1, 2, 3. Cross. Next what is B? B is 2, 3, 5. Okay. A cross B is equal to 1, 2, 3 cross 2, 3, 5. So, how can we find out the cross product? 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5. Next, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5. Next, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 5. It is A cross B. Next what we have to find out? C cross D. C equal to, what is C? 3, 4. Cross, what is D? 1, 3, 5. We have to find out the cross product. Okay. There first intersection, next cross product. Here first we have to find out A cross B and C cross D. Here 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 5. Next 4, 1, 4, 3, 4, 5. Clear? Next, what is that? What is the right hand side? A cross B intersection C cross D. How can we find out the intersection? Already we have find out now. We have to write the common elements of A cross B and C cross D. How can we write the common elements? Can we find out the common elements? Here 1 comma 2. It is in A cross B, but it is not in C cross D. 1 comma 3. Here not having. Next 1 comma 5. Here not having. Next 2 comma 2. Not having. 2 comma 3. Not having. 2 comma 5. Not here. Next 3 comma 2. Not here. 3 comma 5. Yeah, it is in A cross B. It is in C cross D. 3 comma 5. Sorry, 3 comma 3. Next 3 comma 5. It is in A cross B. Also it is in C cross D. So here intersection A cross B intersection C cross D is equal to 3 comma 3 comma 3 comma 5. Have you understand this? Any doubt? Here it is equation 2. Whether it is equal A cross A intersection equation 1 and equation 2 equal. From 1 and 2 A intersection C cross B intersection D is equal to A cross B intersection C cross D. To A intersection C cross B intersection D is equal to A cross B intersection C cross D is true. Have you all understand this? Any doubt? Okay. Sixth problem you have to do as homework. Now I am going to do the seventh problem. Seventh question. Now I am going to do the seventh question. Let A is equal to the set of all natural numbers less than 8. B is equal to the set of all prime numbers less than 8. C is equal to the set of even prime number. Verify that A intersection B cross C is equal to A cross C intersection B cross C. A cross B difference C is equal to, this is difference, is equal to A cross B difference A cross C. First A is equal to, what is A? Set of all natural numbers less than 8. This set of all natural numbers less than 8. So we have to write the natural numbers less than 8. Natural number begins from 1, is it? So the natural number less than 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, B is equal to the set of all prime numbers less than 8. What's the prime numbers less than 8? Yeah, 2, 3, 5, 7. Prime numbers less than 8. C is equal to the set of even prime number. What's the even prime number? In the prime number, 2 is the only one even prime number. What is the even prime number? 2 is the even prime number. Now, we have to verify that. To verify, A intersection B, first one, A intersection B cross C is equal to A cross C intersection B cross C. First, left hand side, we can go to the left hand side. Left hand side, what is there? A intersection B cross C. First, we have to find out A intersection B. What is A intersection B? What is A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Intersection 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay. A intersection B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Intersection 2, 3, 5, 7. Intersection means common elements of A and B. What are the common elements? 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay. So A intersection B is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. Next we have to find out A intersection B cross C. What is A intersection B? 2, 3, 5, 7. Cross C, 2. Okay, 2, 3, 5, 7 cross 2. So what's it is equal to 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 2. 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 2. It is equation 1. Next what we have to find out A cross C. A cross C is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross C is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross 2. How can we write? 1, 2. Next 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2. Next 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2, 8, 2. It is A cross C. This is the right hand side. Okay, it is A cross C. Next what we have to find out? B cross C. We have to find out B cross. Really B cross C is equal to 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 2. Okay, it is B cross C. Next we have to find out A cross C intersection. A cross C intersection B cross C. What's the common elements of A cross C and B cross C? What's the common elements of A cross C and B cross C? 2, 2. Both also having 2, 2. Here also having, here also having. So we can circle that 2, 2. Next 3, 2. Here also having, here also having. So 3, 2. Next 5, 2. Both also having that. Next 7, 2 also having in A cross C and B cross C. So we can write, what are they? 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 2. It is equation 2. Here equation 1 and equation 2 both also equal. So A intersection B cross C is equal to A cross C intersection B cross C. Now second one. To verify A cross B difference C is equal to A cross B difference A cross C. First we have to find out the left hand side. There in the bracket B difference C is there. What is B difference C? Except C, what are the elements in B is B difference C. So here 2 is both also having common. Except the common elements whatever in B we have to write it. 3, 5, 7. Now we have to find out A cross B difference C. What is A? What is A? A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. cross B difference C is 3, 5, 7. Okay, we have to find out A cross B difference C. Now A cross B difference C 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, like that till 8, 7 we have to find out. That is the left hand side equation 1. Then we have to find out A cross B. A cross B and A cross C. A cross B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay. Next A cross C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross C is 2. That also we have to find out. Next we have to find out A cross B difference A cross C. Okay, A cross B difference A cross C. What is A cross B difference A cross C? Except A cross C, whatever in A cross B. Listen, 1, 2 both also having. Circle that. Next 2, 2 here also having, here also having. Next 3, 2 here also having, here also. Next 4, 2 here also having, here also having. Next 5, 2 here also having, here also having. 6, 2 6, 2. Next 7, 2 both also having. Next 8, 2. Here one more line will become 8, 1, 8, 2, 8, 3, 8, 2, 8, 3, 2, 8, 3, 8, 5, 8, 7. So 8, 2 also, both also having, here also having, here also having. So okay, except the circle elements, other everything we have to write. That is A cross B difference A cross. Okay, A cross B difference A cross C means except A cross C, everything in A cross B. So except the circle elements, other everything we have to write. That is equation 2. Equation 1 and 2 equal. Okay, equation 1 and 2 equal. From 1 and 2, A cross B difference C is equal to A cross B difference A cross C. Students, now I am going to give only one homework problem. Exercise 1.1. Sixth problem is a homework. That problem you have to do as exercise 1.1 sixth problem. A, x belongs to W, x less than 2, B is equal to x belongs to N, 1 less than x less than or equal to 4, C is equal to 3, 5. Verify that. This 3 also we have to verify. Here what is A? X belongs less than 2 means 0, 1. Here natural number 1 less than x less than or equal to 4. So what are they? 2, 3, 4. Next C is given. Can you do this? Okay, thank you students.